Hi guys, welcome to Mom MD Hawaii. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys about how I made this Fleece Jedi blanket. So first off, I'm just straightening out my fleece blanket, which I have shown links in my post if you go to Mom MD Hawaii. I cut out a Jedi in Training HTV, so heat transfer vinyl in white, as well as a lightsaber that is red. And then the birthday boy's name is in yellow. His name is Mikey. And so I just picked a corner and I lined it up, and this is me just straightening that out so that it'll be nice and smooth and a nice surface area. I have my little do-it-yourself ironing board there that's actually a piece of wood covered in a pillowcase. I have my heat press heated up to 330 degrees. I did a little preheat of the fleece, smoothed it out again so that my handprint was gone, and I preheated for about 5 seconds. Made sure it was nice and straight before I laid on my heat transfer vinyl. And again, I put this in the corner and straightened it out with the Jedi in Training up on top, the birthday boy's name, Mikey, on the bottom, and the lightsaber in the middle. And I definitely eyeballed this to make sure it was straight. I got all of my ideas from Pinterest. The text is actually called Star Jedi. The Star Jedi text was gotten for free at thefont.com. You can see the full text links in my post at www.mommdhawaii.com. But basically, I use my heat press again at 330 degrees, and I did increments of 30 seconds. If you are going to use a regular iron, then I definitely recommend that you put it on the high cotton setting, and you should probably follow this same thing where you heat up, and I heat it up again for about 30 seconds. I put a Teflon sheet in between the heat press and my heat transfer vinyl. This is to protect my iron as well as my material. And then I slowly peeled off the plastic backing. And because they were different colors and slightly different heat transfer vinyl iron-ons, some of them took a little bit longer in order to be transferred off. You can see me peeling off there the words very slowly, and then seeing if it comes off nicely, then you take it off. Definitely read the directions on your actual heat transfer vinyl to see whether that particular brand is a warm peel or a cool peel. Basically, that means if you should peel off that plastic backing either when it's cold or when it's hot. So as you can see, the words at the bottom didn't peel off quite so nicely. So again, I had to put the EasyPress back on top of my design, again with the Teflon sheet in between, and I'm putting a little bit of pressure as I'm ironing on my heat transfer vinyl. And I'm gonna try again to peel off that plastic backing. And again, we want to repeat this process until it completely comes off nice and easy. Definitely for this project, I did have to do more ironing than normal because it is a fleece blanket, and so there was a lot of fibers that my heat transfer had to adhere to, and I wanted to make sure it really stuck down beyond the fibers and onto the actual backing of the fleece, and so that it's not just stuck on the top. And here I'm peeling off again that adhesive back, and then ironing again. Once I peeled it off completely, I again used the EasyPress in order to iron it on really good, just to get a really nice adherence of my design. And there it is, all finished, and this was the finished product. And I hope that the birthday boy really enjoys it as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this project, and you can see more at www.mommandhawaii.com.